Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and speed. Warm the engine for 3–5 minutes to thin the oil, then turn off and let pressure drop. Once done, position a level side stand and the drain pan under the plug. Loosen the oil filler cap to allow faster flow. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Use a 1/2 socket to crack the drain plug and remove it by hand. Drain until the stream thins. This removes most contaminants and makes the next steps effective. Once the oil is draining, focus on the filter. Remove the old unit with a strap wrench and let residual oil fall into the pan. Then inspect the filter mount and magnet for metal shavings. This signals wear, so note if present. Make sure to replace the O-ring. Lubricate the new gasket with a bit of fresh oil to seal properly. Refit the new filter hand tight, then torque to manufacturer spec. Clean the filler area to prevent contamination before refilling. You pour the specified oil grade and volume from the manual, using a funnel to avoid spills. Make sure not to overfill because that causes foaming and pressure issues. Once filled, reinstall the filler cap, start the engine for 30–60 seconds to circulate oil, then check for leaks around the drain plug and filter. After a short ride or 10–15 minute cool down, recheck the level and top if needed. If pressure light appears or leaks persist, re-torque plugs, reseat the filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.